Good day, folks. This is Great Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today, I wanted to go over the conference agenda at Alberta, Canada. That's going to be coming up in June. We're going to be there a good while, and I'm giving 9 different workshops. And for those of you on Canada, I've been getting some emails from you folks. I want to know where I'm going to be at and when. And so I just wanted to go over that on a short clip tonight. My first workshop is going to be June 13th, and that's going to be held at the Peace Country Beef and Cattle Association, and that's June 13th. And as I go through all these, it's going to be on my website, our website, greenpasturesfarm.net, and you can click on that link under the description, and there's going to be a highlighted link to each one of these classes that you can click on to get information where it's being held at and how to sign up and such. So June 13th is the first one. That's the Peace Country Beef and Cattle Association. The next one is June 15th, and that one is the North Peace Applied Research Association. That's June 15th. And then the next workshop will be June 17th, and that is another one, a different location. But it's going to be held by the same organization, it looks like. Then June 19th is, there's another one that's being featured by Grow, and that's June 19th. That one, you can also click on the link. And there's another one, June 21st at the Bonnieville area. June 23rd is the Coronation area. June 26th, the Foothills Forage and Grazing Association, that's in the Drumheller area. And then June 28th, it's the same organization, but it's a different location. It's going to be held at Jumping Pound area. And then on June 29th is the Gray Wooded Forage Association, and that's going to be on the 29th. So, yeah, it's a busy schedule. There's going to be classroom workshops in the morning, and then we're going to actually go out on the farms and do a pasture walk in the afternoon, and it's going to be a really good time. So, Jan and I are coming up there. Hope to see some of y'all in Canada and the Alberta area. And everyone have a good evening, and we'll see you next time.